everyone, welcome back to Summit Auto Lab here in Park City, as Clayton likes to say. Clayton, this is a pretty nice color.
Yeah, this color's sick, huh?
Yeah, this is like from a new brand called a Nosatech, right?
Yeah, this is a new brand of vinyl. We found them at SEMA last year. They're pretty cool.
They had really cool colors.
Crazy glossy. Like, that's like what they specialize
in. This one's called Miami Blue, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm kind of in love with it. This would look really good on
the BMW M4?
Yes. So you guys obviously read the title. I don't know why I'm carrying the video right now. This should really be Clayton's.
I'm working.
Okay.
I gotta get this done. Clayton
has a new lover in his life. But before we get to that, we actually got a package in the mail. I'm gonna need you to join us for a second.
You need me to open the box for you?
No, I want you to film me opening the box.
Oh.
Okay, so I personally have no clue what hrpworld.com is, but I have an inkling of what's inside.
Inkling?
Yeah.
Is that a word?
Yeah, I hope so. Oh. It is what I thought it was. So C-Tech reached out to us and, we need these. They know the issues you're having with the Porsche.
Oh yeah, we need to go hook up the Cayman. It's completely dead.
Well, it's always dead.
I haven't touched the Cayman in probably a month or so, and it usually dies within about 12 hours. So it's been dead for a month. I am in need of more battery, or new batteries for it, but I just haven't gotten around to it. It's on the other side of town. I forget about it. Because we're just busy. We're busy wrapping, we're busy detailing, busy unboxing boxes.
Yeah, look,
what else?
We've got jumper cables. We've got...
You sure those are jumper cables or charging cables?
That's why I don't ever plug up the cars. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool.
So we have the charger, and then we have like a rubber case for the charger.
I think that's pretty genius, because I always just throw these on the ground.
Yeah, when they scrape around, they get all
Yeah.
janky, and so, yeah.
Thank you, C-Tech.
All right, so we're gonna race over across town to where the Cayman is actually. We're gonna go grab some dinner. I'm starving. Ooh, carrying bag. You know how much I love carrying bags, Faith.
I didn't, but now I do.
So we're gonna actually unbox this, take this over and plug in the Cayman so that way it's able to start at some point.
Hold on there, mister. You're getting way ahead of the video.
Oh yeah, guys, I bought a new car that I absolutely adore and love, and I've been wanting for over a year now. Found the right one, went and bought it. I'm kind of alone on this venture here.
You do you.
Faith does not really see the point in this car. It's not her
this
style, I guess.
Is, I mean, there's going to be a handful of you that I think are going to be excited, but I think a majority of you are going to be like, what the heck?
You're going to be the same boat as Faith.
Yes. Team Faith or Team Clayton.
It's kind of out of left field.
Yeah.
But I'll explain why I bought this car later in the video.
So most restaurants are still only doing... Hi there, can I order a takeout? Most of the restaurants in Park City are still doing curbside pickup, so that is what we are going to do. Okay, the food order was placed. We taking your new love?
Yeah, let's take it, but I'm not gonna show you guys yet. You guys are gonna have to wait a little bit longer, but we'll see if you can guess it by, I don't know, the headliner, the startup noise, I don't know. Wait.
All right, go start it up.
No. Give them the startup noise from inside.
Inside.
If it was from outside, they'll be able to guess it, no problem.
I don't know. I have to like, hey guys.
All right, listen to the door shutting noise.
Okay, start it up so they don't have to keep staring at my face.
Very faint.
Very faint.
You guys probably heard that.
Also, number one reason why I don't like this vehicle is because it never starts for me.
Faith has tried to drive this car like 5 or 6 times, and it literally will not start for her. She has yet to start it.
It only starts for Clayton.
And she won't start it, and then I'll be like, what the heck are you doing? And I'll jump in and start right up.
So it likes Clayton more than me. That's why I don't like it. Okay, let's go get food.
Yep.
Okay guys, got Vessel Kitchen. I was pressured into getting some bread. Don't judge me.
Yo, you're showing them the interior.
What? No, I'm not. They can't
see.
They can't see anything except the food that I'm showing them that we're gonna eat here in a second. Yeah, I have no clue why I bought this bread. I think it was like $5.
What?
But he like made me buy it.
It's just bread. You get bread.
And he made me buy it. All right.
Undo the little twisty ties.
And the Porsche is gonna be feeling real good here in a second.
Man, we got to do so much more to this thing. Jeez, I'm in the process of designing a full new grill The grill that comes with Pandem kits, it's plastic. It's literally this right here. And it's not attached very well, so that's why mine flew off.
I also think that a lot of people are waiting for a wing.
Yes.
Especially me.
I have been in correspondence with a composite company to make a custom wing.
Okay,
but it is gonna take about a month and a half.
I'll believe it when I see it. Plug this baby in. Boom. Easy enough. Awesome. Thank you. I think his name was Paolo for the awesome charger.
Should we do one more startup?
Sure. You should just tell him what it is.
No, we gotta go to a secret spot and then tell him.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got to our favorite spot again. There's a guy playing bagpipes here, so that's pretty cool. Cool background music.
So we've given you guys lots of hints, and if you have not guessed what it is yet, that's okay, because it is kind of random. Here's a really good shot of the interior. I'm gonna step out and show you guys right now. If you guys guessed that I got an OBS Ford, you are correct. So I got a 1996 Ford F350 crew cab long bed. So this is like the longest truck Ford has ever made. I cannot wait to show you guys how the car is right now. It is like 99.9% bone stock from 96. The only thing that was modified is there's a kill switch. So that's what I wanted. I wanted an unmodded truck. That way I can do it right the first time. I can't wait to go through it with you guys and show you what it is now and what it's gonna be in the future. This guy's practicing bagpipes. He's pretty good.
Not gonna lie, I kind of want to eat dinner to this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Should we eat in the bed?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Man, I am loving this.
The ambiance.
Yeah. I feel like I'm in... Where do they play bagpipes? What
Ireland.
country? Ireland, yes. I feel like I'm in Ireland. What? I like this guy. He should be in the background of all of our videos.
Yeah. So we're gonna quickly stuff our faces here, and then I'm gonna give you guys a walk around of the truck, show you everything that's wrong with it, everything that's great with it, and talk about mods I'm gonna do in the future. Oh, she's already stuffing her face.
Mm-hmm. Sal, could you quiet down? I'm trying to listen. All right, as much as I really love the bagpipes over there, I think they might be a little distracting to the video. Should we go back to the shop?
Yeah, I think the microphone picks it up just like too well.
Yeah.
So
all right.
We'll go back to the shop and do the walk around. Although it did create quite the ambiance for our little picnic date.
It was quite nice, wasn't it, Sal? I just don't get it.
You don't get the car?
No.
This car's sweet, what are you talking about? Hey guys, listen to this 7.3 purr. And that's not even, that's like the stock exhaust. That's not the exhaust noise. It's like the engine is that loud.
What is that, like 0 to 60 in like 20 seconds?
Yeah, probably like 29 seconds, something like that.
All right, Clayton. Tell us about your truck.
Okay, I will. So like I said earlier, this is a 1996 F350 crew cab long bed. So that means it's 4 doors with an extra long bed. I don't know the exact measurement of the bed yet, but if you guys look at it, there is no body rust. There's no rust right here. There's no rust underneath any of the doors. You can see there's no rust, no rust. No rust. There's one little dent right here, not the end of the world, but still no rust at all, no rust, no rust. And this car having no rust was a huge selling point for me. There was a lot of trucks all kind of around the Utah area that were in my price range and were just very similar to this, but they all had little bit of body rust, and the body rust was just a nightmare to fix. So you guys can see like the various metal components underneath, like the spare tire holder and the frame tabs here, and the axle with the differential cover has a little bit of surface rust, and you can fix that so easily. You just hit it with some sandpaper or scuff pads or whatever and then paint it. So it's really not that big of a deal. Here's the other side. There is one little dent right there, and that's pretty much about it. So the reason I bought this truck and the reason I was looking for OBS Fords was because I personally think they're really cool looking. I figured I would save some money, go with an old truck, get to build it, experience what old trucks have to offer, and if I end up not liking it in the future, I'll just sell it and buy a newer one. It's not the end of the world. I'm really excited to start working on this thing. Let's open the hood and check it out. Thank you. Ooh, there she is.
Can't.
You make the truck look huge. Here's the engine right here. This is the 7.3 liter turbo diesel Ford. As you can see, it's extremely dirty, and we happen to know some people who can fix that. So,
yeah, you.
Yeah, me. So we're gonna be fixing all of this dirt issue in a future video. So these trucks are notorious for lasting a very long time. The engine is like bulletproof, but the transmission, not so much. So this vehicle right here is just under 300,000 miles, which may seem like a lot. I'm not even worried though. The previous owner rebuilt the transmission about 4,000 miles ago. So it's basically a brand new transmission under warranty for 20,000 miles. So I got another 15,000 miles under warranty for the transmission. Let's check out the inside. So we do have the light brown interior. It's not tan, it is a brown. So we got the dashboard right here with a nice dash cover. It's like nobody ever even sat back here. Like the seats are great, the carpet is great, just a little dirty. You can see behind the seat here, pretty clean, but we're gonna make it even more clean. I'm really excited for this truck. So that right there is the new vehicle to our fleet. Faith is not very excited. I am extremely stoked. I've already been in communication with some companies to help us build this thing to its max. We have some products coming in the mail shortly, which means this build is gonna be underway very, very soon. Are you gonna help me work on it?
Don't put me on the spot like that.
You gonna help me work on it?
Don't put me on the spot like that. If I say no, I'm gonna look like a mean wife.
She'll help me work on it. She'll help film while I work on it. How about that? So before we head inside, I want to quickly talk about some future modifications that I want to do and plan to do with this truck. I'm definitely going to be modding it like a lot. Very first things first, I think I'm going to tackle the interior because I'm going to be spending the most time in there. So I'm probably going to rip out everything and do a lot of sound deadening, probably a whole new speaker and stereo system because that stereo head unit just doesn't work. On the outside, I think I'm gonna lift it about 6 to 8 inches. I'm hoping to get a 38-inch tire under there, probably a 37. 37s are a little bit more common. I would love to strip this paint, fix any of the little dents, and paint it black. I would absolutely love this truck to be towing the Cayman, both black on black with copper wheels. In the future though, I think first I'm just gonna give it a wrap.
All right, enough about your trucky truck. Let's talk about my Jeepy Jeep. She's still for sale, you guys. I'm not in a rush to sell her, obviously, because look at how good she looks, but also she's for sale. Once this sells, I am free to then explore the world of cars and find myself a new one.
Oh, great.
Oh, great, you mean, oh joy.
Faith just loves spending a lot of money on cars.
What is this? What is this?
It's yours.
What, oh, okay. You know what?
I have a $6,000 truck and you have a really expensive Ferrari and yeah. Well, not anymore, it's sold.
You say that, but you drove it just as much as me. Update on the Ferrari, you guys. We had some difficulties with transport companies because apparently they're very hard to work with, so we actually have to take it to the owner itself.
Update on the next video. Whoa, speaking of modifications, this just came in the mail today. We got an oil filter, which is as big as Faith's head.
Well, Clayton has to quit chatting and get back to work. This BMW ain't gonna wrap itself.
Unfortunately, no. I wish that was a possibility.
But I think I'm going to edit this video so that we can get it up for you guys because I promised you that you wouldn't have to wait long for the next video. And I will fulfill that promise, and I'm gonna do that now. So,
if you guys didn't know, Faith does like 100% of the editing.
100%.
Yeah, well, you've done all the editing this whole year.
Yeah,
like
well, that's because I
months.
actually enjoy it. So.
Yeah, 7 months of editing. So if you guys like the editing, give Faith a like in the
Let me know
comments.
if you like the editing. Let me know if you hate the editing, and I'll try and be better for you.
Also, if you guys are excited for this new truck build that we're going to be starting, this new truck venture, this is a whole new world for me. I've never built a truck before. We had that other truck, but I didn't do anything to it.
Yeah, so let us know in the comments below, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Peace.